In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sprout to Listening on Social Listening Tutorial 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a listening workflow in Sprout Social, pull meaningful insights, and use what you find to create content, engage your audience, and improve your strategy. First, log into Sprout Social and head to the listening section in the main menu. Choose Create New Topic. A topic is simply what you want to monitor: your brand, your niche, a competitor, or a campaign. Think of it as the container that will collect all the relevant mentions for analysis. When creating your topic, choose what you want to track. This can include your brand name, niche keywords like social media tips, competitors' names, or industry hashtags. Add the keywords and phrases your audience actually uses, and don't forget variations and common misspellings. For example, you might include VA services, virtual assistant help, and hire VA Philippines. Imagine how people type in real life, not how you would write it in a brochure. That mindset will widen your net. Next, refine your filters so your data stays accurate. Select the language you care about, such as English. Choose a location if that matters to your market, and exclude irrelevant keywords that could muddy your results. Tight filters remove noise, save time, and make insights easier to trust. Once your topic is live, the listening dashboard begins to populate. You'll see the volume of mentions, engagement trends over time, sentiment breakdowns like positive, neutral, and negative, and popular keywords associated with your topic. Pay attention to sudden spikes or dips. Those often signal trending conversations, emerging issues, or the impact of a post or campaign. Use these insights to discover content ideas. Look for frequently asked questions, recurring pain points, and conversations that are gaining traction. Turn those findings into short-form videos, like Reels or TikToks, or into educational carousel posts. Using audience language in your captions can boost relevance and reach. From there, engage in the conversations you're tracking. Jump into threads where your keywords appear, offer helpful replies, and be genuinely useful. This is how you build relationships and earn clients without hard selling. Keep an eye on competitors by adding their names as topics. See what people say about them, identify service gaps you can fill, and position your brand more clearly. If you've launched a campaign, monitor branded hashtags, track mentions, and measure audience response to confirm what's working. Finally, optimize weekly. Remove irrelevant keywords, add new trending phrases, and refine filters. Listening isn't set and forget. It gets smarter every week you adjust it.